Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. Also, make sure you turn off the water supply to the washer. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the clutch in a Whirlpool washer. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a socket wrench with extension, Torx 30 head, 10mm and 7mm heads, and a plastic mallet. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new clutch and a mounting bolt. The clutch is mounted at the bottom of the gear case. Basically, it's a strong electromagnet operated by the control board. By energizing and de-energizing, the clutch switches the washer from agitation to spin and back. If the washer won't agitate or spin, check the clutch for resistance and replace it if needed. To get to the part, we need to put the washer on its front. I'm going to place the box here to support it. Probably move it a little closer. And I'm going to tilt it forward carefully. That washer is quite heavy. Also, make sure it's not going anywhere. Next, I'm going to take out this insulation pad. You can bend it. And pull out. To remove the motor rotor, we need to take out that central piece. I'm going to use the Torx 30 socket wrench, and we're going to unscrew it. I'm going to put it here, and I'm going to use a plastic mallet to loosen up the screw. And now I'm going to pull off this the motor rotor. Be careful because it has magnets inside, and it has a tendency of going back right away. So be careful with your fingertips. Shake it side to side. All right. Next, I'm going to unplug these two plugs. They are locking tabs on the sides. Next step is to take out this 10mm bolt. I'm using the 10mm socket wrench. Next, I'm going to switch the heads. I'm putting on 7mm head, and I'm going to take out these screws so we can remove the stator and the clutch. And the last one, when you're taking this one out, please support the stator. All right, now I'm going to remove this plug, this one, out of the bracket. I'm going to squeeze these tabs here on the side. Pull it out. Now I'm going to free this harness from this plastic retainer. I'm going to lift up on the tab here, slide it out, and we have another one right there. Same thing. And as a result, we can lift up on the stator and free the clutch. This is the old clutch next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. I'm going to turn the stator over, and I'm going to bring in a new clutch and put it, harness put through. And I'm going to install it like that. I'm going to turn it over. I'm going to place the harness here. I'm going to pull this tab, slide it in, and I'm going to do it here, same thing. Place it under the tab, and I'm going to insert this plug into the cutout. It only can go one way. As you can see, there's a little cutout on the top here, and the plug has a little tab on the top, so it will lock in. So we're going to bring the stator and the clutch and place it on the harness facing this upper corner. And I'm going to use these 7mm socket wrench. I'm going to tighten it. Now I'm going to attach this bracket. The tab at the bottom locks into this opening. And then we're going to install these 10mm screw on the top. You can call it bolt. And to tighten it, I'm going to use the 10mm socket wrench. And now we're going to plug in these two plugs. The smaller plug goes at the bottom. And the bigger one on the top. Next, I'm going to install the motor rotor on. The splines here in the center will go over the splines of the shaft. Be careful, don't pinch your fingertips on those magnets. Next, we're going to secure it with a bolt that's supplied with a new clutch. I'm going to use the same Torx 30 socket wrench. And we're going to tighten it. And I'm going to use this plastic mallet, and I'm going to tighten this screw. And now we can install this installation pad. And now when we're done, we can put the washer upright. Turn on the water, plug the washer in and run it to check if it works properly and there's no leaks. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.